Hi, I'm Wes, the co-founder for Dastgyr, and today I'm here to explain to you guys how the venture capital industry works. So, venture capital is basically a type of investment vehicle for individuals and institutions. It basically refers to financing that an investor provides for startups and small businesses, typically in exchange for shares and equity in the organization. So ये जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स होती हैं ये कहीं काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाई रिस्क होती हैं और लॉन्ग टर्म होती हैं नेचर, लेकिन इनका जो अपसाइड होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है कंपेयर टू जो भी टिपिकल इन्वेस्टमेंट आप देखते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आप स्टॉक एक्सचेंज देख लें या रियल एस्टेट देख लें. And this form of investment is usually executed by high net worth individuals, and these individuals are most commonly known as angel investors. या ये investments जो हैं ये venture capital firms invest करती हैं. Angels जो होते हैं these are typically the titans of industry who invest in their areas of expertise. For example, ये मोहम्मद यूसुफ जान है जो कि जिन्होंने अपना करियर अराउंड पब्लिक ट्रांसिट और टेक्नोलॉजी के अराउंड बनाया था. But now he's an active angel investor with FindMyAdventure, Dawaai, Airlift, and Dastgyr as well. VC firms जो होती हैं, they will raise a large fund from corporations, pension funds, या कुछ pool of individual investors होते हैं जो VCs को पैसे अपने देते हैं to invest in startups. The way it works is कि अगर founders को extra capital चाहिए होता है to either expand their business या launch their business, so they pitch their business to angel investors या VC firms को. And obviously investors are also hunting for these sort of opportunities to maintain their deal flow. This entire process may take anywhere from 4 to 12 weeks या कहीं ज़्यादा भी हो जाता है, during which investors complete reference checks, due diligence perform करते हैं. Due diligence के अंदर जो है वो आपका थोड़ा सा बिजनेस मॉडल समझते हैं, उसके हिसाब से आपका डेटा देखते हैं कि क्या अच्छा वो सैनिटी चेक मेंटेन हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा. आपके कुछ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स देखते हैं लाइक प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट्स, कैश फ्लो, बैलेंस शीट्स, and obviously it also involves the negotiations with founders about how much stake they would want to have in the organization. The investor will evaluate startup leadership, product market fit, growth potential, etc. And if it goes well, founders receive a term sheet which basically comprises of terms like equity percentage, board seats, voting rights, etc. etc. Invested funds जो होते हैं they may be released to the startup all at once या कहीं कभार installments पे भी होते हैं, and some of them also are related to some of the business KPIs that they're supposed to hit. So for example, let's say कि आपने investor को during your pitch आपने उन्हें propose किया हुआ है कि your business is going to grow at 20% month over month. So some of the investors may propose, okay, we are going to invest 50% of the amount right here, right now, but the rest of the 50% you will get if you consistently outperform that 20% target that you have set for yourself after 3 months, within that 3 months. So there are several types of VC financing that correspond to the stage of a company's life cycle. इसीलिए companies जो हैं वो several rounds of financing raise करते हैं. So for example, अगर आप बिल्कुल ही नए हैं और आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो you might want to raise a pre-seed round or an angel round. But अगर आप थोड़े से और बड़े हो जाते हैं, आपके पास तकरीबन एक थोड़ा सा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड आ जाता है एग्जीक्यूशन का, तो you might be raising a seed round, and after that series A, series B, and so on. So all of these are examples of early stage capital. अब इसमें समझना ये भी जरूरी है कि VC का इसमें क्या फायदा है. So a VC will cash out on their investment after a liquidity event, which refers to an acquisition, IPO, or approved equity sale. The investor sells the equity they received at higher valuation. This event is also known as exit, which is one of the very, this is the achievement for startups to reach to. And startups that do see liquidity events will typically take 4 to 8 years to reach to that point. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more as well, but typically 4 to 8 years. A good example of venture-backed company that achieved an exit in our region at least is Kareem. उनके जो backers हैं, उनके जो investors हैं, they include Kingdom Holdings, Saudi Telecom Company, and Mount Capital. And these investors have earned up to 100 times the returns on their investments when Kareem was acquired by Uber was for $3.1 billion. अगर हम पाकिस्तानी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बात करें तो the startup ecosystem in Pakistan is currently going through a very booming phase, जहाँ पे a lot of Pakistani startups have invested a lot of capital recently from some of the very well-renowned VCs across the globe. अगर मैं statistics के terms में बात करूँ तो startups have raised up to $120 million VC funds in just the first half of 2021. And this is double of the total funding that was raised in 2020, which was $66 million. These involve startups like Airlift, Dastgyr, and Dastgyr, जिन्होंने major international VCs से funds raise किए हैं. And these VCs include First Round Capital, Kleiner Perkins, and SOSV. Large Pakistani conglomerates भी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इस सेक्टर में आ रहे हैं and are also now getting involved in the VC game, such as Laxon Investments Venture Capital and TPL eVentures. Lastly, अगर मैं बात करूं तो एक average retail investor can get involved in VC today by either approaching a VC firm and committing an amount into their fund, or you may try your hand at angel investing, provided that you have the experience in specific areas of interest that startups are operating in to execute the necessary due diligence on your own. Thank you. I hope this helps.